Good evening. It is Mr. Mosley, your proud principal of Piedmont Middle School. Hey, just want to give you some tips and tricks to prepare for tomorrow's first day of school. You only get one in that individual grade, and let's make it your best. Number one, get to bed on time. My suggestion, probably around 9 o'clock so you can get a good 8 hours sleep. Because remember, I want you here by 8. Now, I know the bell schedule says school doesn't start till 8:10, but you know what? You're not going to remember 8:10. You'll remember 8. And I want you to be on time because attendance matters. All right? I want everybody, also, Piedmont Hills, you don't want to be messed up with that traffic. So try to aim to be here early. All right? Number 2, lunch for tomorrow. As I told my 6th grade parents on yesterday, might be a good idea just to bring a bag lunch, but also be prepared to bring your ID card. Make sure your students have your ID cards because it makes the line go faster. All right. Next tip, pick up and drop off. I would try to stay away from the round area, but what I would do is try to get a spot where you and your child can know where pick up and drop off is daily so you can stay outside of the traffic. All right, because remember, we're talking 8 o'clock, even though school starts at 8:10. But I want you here early and on time. Questions on textbooks. Textbooks will be given out next week, beginning on Monday. Monday will be 6th grade, 7th grade will be Tuesday, and 8th grade will be Wednesday. Also, PE clothes will be sold next week. And I want you to remember, it's cash only. Cash only. All right. Monday we'll be selling to the 6th graders. Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be selling to the 7th and 8th graders. If you miss those 2 days, Wednesday you can start coming to the office, and then we'll be able to prepare to sell to you then. But we'll be selling to 6th graders during PE period and on Monday, and then Tuesday we'll be selling to the 7th and 8th graders during their PE period. All right. So just that's another reminder. Let me see. Mr. Mosley, school supplies. Basic things, pencils, some require lead pencils, some students require lead pencils, pens, colored markers, notebooks, note paper, the essentials, and even maybe if you have a small calculator, bring that too. That will help you out for your math or maybe sometimes science as well. Let's see. Schedules, big thing. Look, now, 6th graders got their schedules on yesterday, and like I told them last night, those are pretty tentative because our 6th graders, it's been a lot of people enrolling. We were projected to have 170, and at last check, I saw we had 206. So that's over 30-something kids that was over projection, all right? But what I need you to do is this. Your schedule, in order to get your schedule on tomorrow, we have boards outside, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade boards that tell you where your homeroom is. You will receive your schedule in your homeroom, okay? So be prepared because you'll go to homeroom first. We'll have a lot of things also in your homeroom. We'll be talking about the time tracker. And you know what? That's a homework. That's my homework to you, parents. Ask your children when you see them when they come home, where's your time tracker? Tell me what it's about. That'll be your homework from the principal, okay? Also, but this is also other homework that I have for you, parents. If you have your ABC forms that were sent out today, but also that were sent out in the mail, but also virtually, have your child bring those into their homeroom as well as the emergency forms. Okay? If you receive them by email or receive them by carrier pigeon or by the mail carrier, please bring those in, and those will be turned in to the homeroom teacher. All right? I think that's about it. Dismissal. Dismissal tomorrow is at 1:21. Remember, it's a Thursday, so it's a short day. So please be prepared. Please be prepared to have your child either picked up or walking home at 1:21 on every Thursday. Let me see. I think that's about it. Yep. So after looking at my list, I think we're good. If you need to rewind this message, go ahead. It is on YouTube for you to play as much as you like. But I also, last but not least, I'm sorry, there was one thing. On last night, there was, first of all, thank you for all the parents that showed last night. We had a plethora of parents. And we also had parents that wasn't even signed up yet to come to Piedmont. So, please, parents, If you didn't enroll by Tuesday, it's more than likely that we don't have a schedule for you. Don't expect to come in with your forms, everything completed, and your child will have a schedule on tomorrow. That's not going to happen. We need at least 48 hours to get those things together, especially sixth grade. So please, if you haven't had all your stuff, those people haven't done their TDAP, or those people haven't turned their things in on time, do not expect to have a class schedule tomorrow if you're turning your stuff in on tomorrow. Okay, we're not that. My office staff is the best in Berryessa, the best in the West, but they ain't that fast. Okay, so if we get your stuff tomorrow, we'll try to get your stuff. We'll try to get everything processed so you can start by Friday, but no later than Monday. So if you have any questions, you may call the office at 408-923-1945. See you in the morning. Take care. Get to bed, kids. 9 o'clock. Peace.